So you're in a Microsoft Teams meeting and you think that this is going to be a valuable one and you want to record it. Let me show you how. Once you're in the Microsoft Teams meeting, all you have to do is click on more at the top. And here you will see it says record. So you will have this because I have it on my other computer as well. It will say record and transcribe. And so you will be able to record it from here. Now, this is a free version that's on my PC, so it's just telling me that I need to upgrade the record. But in your case, if you're using a work machine or so, you would have the option right here to record and transcribe. I also want to mention to you this, that when you record a meeting within Microsoft Teams, once you end that meeting, there is going to be an expiration time for this record. And it's normally set to something like 6 to 5 days for the recording, let's say, get expired. And so this recording is saved within OneDrive. So it ties to your O365 account. And so you can go to myapps.microsoft.com, something like that, and you will be able to find all of those videos on OneDrive under the profile, right? But in order to be able to change this expiration date, the only person who can do this is not the person who recorded the meeting, but the person who organized the meeting. So remember that the person who organized the meeting is the only person who can change the expiration date after the meeting is recorded. So you'll record it and then you will stop the recording, it will save, and you will see it basically process into the chat afterwards. So you'll be able to see the chat and you will see that the meeting is processing and you will see that the video is processing or the recording is processing. But once that is finished, you can click on it, ask the organizer to basically change the expiration date and set it to no expiration date. And so they can also share it with you afterwards. They can find it within the OneDrive and they can also share it in case, because it will be restricted and so you want them to share it with you or someone else. So that's it. An alternative to actually record meetings that I actually find super useful if I don't want to go through that and I want to record my screen is to use a snipping tool. So you can look for a snipping tool on your PC, just type in snip, open up the snipping tool on your Windows PC if you're using Windows. And of course, let me just show you right here. Let me bring it to the screen. You can switch this from the camera to take screenshots and switch to video. And you just need to click new and just kind of drag it over your screen like this. And once you do that, you can now ensure that you unmute and ensure that your speaker and so forth is set, not mute, etc. So that it captures everything. And so once you do that, you click on start and it will record. And of course, once that starts and it's finished, I'm going to show you a few seconds here. 1, 2, 3, blah, 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 blah. You get the general idea. I click stop and this is now on my PC. So all I have to do, if I click save at the top here, I'm going to save it in downloads as blah, 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 like that, save. And you will see that this video now actually saves to my computer. So if I go ahead and I open up File Explorer and I go to downloads, you see that I have the video right here. So this is the video. And so I can have it on my PC if I don't want to bother go through the problem of, basically asking the person to set it to no expiration date. And I just want to do it on my own, right? So that's something that you can do for yourself. So that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple. So that's how you can record a Microsoft Teams meeting on your computer in Microsoft Teams. Two ways: more, record and transcribe, or you can do it with a free tool on Windows, as you can see there. But that's it.